Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about uKat Mahlala that we did not know. We thank Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi for unveiling yonke lento esesiyivile isenzeka in the police. JPMB, which is now Ekuholeni Metropolis, and also South African Police Services, that is rogue. Okay, sivile into ba kwaqala uBhekicele. uKat Mahlala confirmed that he gave uBhekicele accommodation where he slept for several days in his apartment. And when uBhekicele was questioned by ad hoc committee, he admitted sleeping in Kat Mahlala's premises or apartments. And encoma into ba, that place, who wouldn't want to sleep in that place? Mind you, uKat Mahlala got tenders from the South African Police Services. So it is revealed now that uKat Mahlala, what he did with South African Police Services, we capture yonke South African Police Services to such an extent into bonke. So now, when someone is called to Imadlanga Commission, they are all saying, I'm not the only one that did this. Can you imagine? Even the females now, we've had Sentumule wa receiver BBL as per Shadrack Sibiya. Sentumule owayese kwi-wedding ka Shadrack Sibiya wachaza into ba wayengekho phaya yedwa, wayehamba noThema. Brigadier Thema naye ekuthiwa ube training head of training yakwa SAPS, naye kuthiwa wa receiver hair replacement. Kutsho phofu uShadrack Sibiya useyabantama ngoku bonke into ba no, you can't tell me into ba I'm the only one who's associated with this criminal. There's this person. Oyena ke nayo besebenza noShadrack Sibiya ufana inkosi, who was a middleman kuyo yonke lento eyenziwayo. So if ufuna imali ufana inkosi uzoxelela uKat Mahlala into ba uShadrack Sibiya udinga imali. So xa ngabe eseyifumana imali uzoyihambisa cash to uShadrack Sibiya. Yebethunana sivileke siyeke ngoku ku JPMB Metropolis apha ekufumaniseka into ba nakhona siyamazi naye andithi uJulius Mkhwanazi. uJulius Mkhwanazi ngulo owanikeza uKat Mahlala iblue lights, the famous I never putted blue lights on Kat Mahlala's cars. Ngiyamkhumbula mos esitsho kanjalo uJulius Mkhwanazi. Uyabalwa ezintweni ezininzi into ba uthi uKat Mahlala, I provided a chopper in some instances. Chopper ke ilanto ifana nehelicopter for into ba mhlambi xa khona cash in transit kukhawuleze kubanjwe abantu that are committing criminals. So uKat Mahlala ubesebenzisana neMetropolis yaseJoburg. In the recent one ke ngoku eseyivelile apho uLinda Xesheka HR HOD uyabuzwa into ba ayibo wena why ungazange umdiscipline uJulius Mkhwanazi, because kuyavela into ba he did not follow a proper protocol in doing all these things. Why was he not disciplined? Zangabizelo hearing and disciplinary action and everything okanye asuspendwe. Uyachaza ke into ba ke uJulius Mkhwanazi was protected by uDr Mashazi. uDr Mashazi ke owayeyimeya yakhona before I retire. So uthi that woman understand nina Madlanga Commission uba ungumuntu onjani. Commissioners wakhe wandibiza ndiyongcwaba umama wathi I want you uba ubuye by tomorrow on Monday ube ulapha emsebenzini. So there's no way that I have been protecting uDr Mashazi. Waveza into yokuba ke usenthumule. The wife Utsakane Matlala, wife wakhe uKat Matlala also benefited imali engango plus 3.7 million tender. Phike ngoku kwa JP kwa EMPD. Andithi uyakhumbula mos uKat Matlala yena it's 367 million a benefite kuyo kwa SAPS with iMedicare. So uyazibona ke ngoku ezizinto into yoba uKat Matlala bonke uba captureshile, they were all in his payroll. So you can imagine ke into yoba ubabhatala for into yoba if efuna ukucommit any crime, the charges will just disappear. Simbonile uSinona oyihead yama-Hawks naye ephume vela ebuzwa into yoba wena why did you send this information ebaluleke kangaka to uKat Matlala? Hi, because he's my brother from the township from a long time ago. We had a brother relationship. So bonke ke even uShadrack Sibiya xa ebuzwa into yoba why did you ulantuke uhlanganise noKat Matlala, uthi no, everyone knows Kat Matlala, he's a nice guy. And yeah, even uJulius Mkhwanazi wathi into yoba no, he's a brother. Hayibo bonke ababantu, they are all brothers to him ngoba kaloku uyabasebenzisa vele, so there's no way angabi ngobrother. So sisalindile ke because uKat Matlala is in jail and busy with court appearances into yoba kuzokwenziwa njani. Nikhumbule ke uba ebanjwa nje uKat Matlala ube applyele into yoba abe nesuit or a terminal OR Tambo apho kuzongena abantu abanemali kuphela from other countries. So it is suspected into yoba ke ngoku ubefuna ukwenza ke ngoku all these criminal activities kakuhle imali ezingenayo neziphumayo, because allegedly he is also involved in drugs namathenda ke. So hey, we will wait and see into yoba kwenzeka ntoni. Thank you for watching my videos. Please don't forget to subscribe. It's free. You like and comment if you like the video. Thank you so much.